Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the bid limits in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in for the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, and then you have to just simply type in the Google Ads in the top navigation bar. And once you type in the Google Ads in the search bar, what you need to do is simply go to the first website from here, and once you're in the first website you have to just simply go here, and here you can see that there are sign in option and start now option. So after that you have to just simply go to the preferences according to your preferences and according to your needs, and after that what you need to do is it will simply take you to this page, and from here you can just simply click on the campaigns icon from here. And once you click on the campaigns, if you click on the campaigns again, here you can see there are lots of campaigns that are currently running. You have to choose the settings option from here. So let's say I'd like to go for this one. You have to just simply choose the settings option from here, and after that in the settings option you have to just find out the bidding, and here in the bidding option you have to choose the maximize clicks, and then what you need to do is simply click on the save icon from here, and once you click on the save it will simply solve your problem. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.